सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार,
Namaskar, sir.
स्वागतम. Well friends, we have done 3 stories of the 14 out of 14 in this last tantra aparikshita karaka. तिस्रः कथाः अस्माभिः एतावता अधीताः सन्ति. चतुर्दश कथासु चतुर्थी कथा अद्य प्रारभते. लोक व्यवहार ज्ञान शून्य मूर्ख पंडित. एवमेव तत्र सर्वेषां यानि यानि पात्राणि अत्र वर्ण्यन्ते तानि सर्वाण्यपि अविवेकिनां पात्राणि, बुद्धिहीनानां पात्राणि. Whatever characters are presented in this tantra are without the intellect, the discriminatory faculty in our life, namely the buddhi. Buddhi is more important than the vidya. Vidya is of no use. Like we have in Telugu, chaduvu kodamu, chaduvu konadamu. People may buy vidya. Chaduvu konadamu is possible, but chaduvu kodam is different. So buddhi vikasa is most essential for the well-being of mankind. That is what the Panchatantra insists upon. How to develop the buddhi and not mere so-called qualification. Yes, Srinivas, today's number?
षड्षष्ट्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः
166th class. षट्षष्ट्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. We are into the next, the new story.
Yeah, that is what.
लोक व्यवहार ज्ञानशून्य मूर्ख पंडित चतुष्टय कथा.
Again, in every story you are getting 4 people watching that.
Yeah.
So that was the order of the day in those days. To be friends means there must be 4 people. So again, look at the title is very important. Loka Vyavahara Jnana. What is required is not simply Vidya, Loka Vyavahara Jnana, the practical knowledge of the society, how to live in society. Yes, Srinivas.
Yeah. अथवा मूर्ख पंडित कथा. कस्मिंश्चित् अधिष्ठाने चत्वारः ब्राह्मणाः परस्परं मित्रत्वम् आपन्ना वसन्ति स्म. बालभावे तेषां मतिरजायत. भो देशान्तरं गत्वा विद्याया उपार्जनं क्रियते इति. अथ अन्यस्मिन् दिवसे ते ब्राह्मणाः परस्परं निश्चयं कृत्वा विद्योपार्जनार्थं कान्यकुब्जे गताः. तत्र च विद्यामठे गत्वा पठन्ति. एवं 12 शताब्दान् एकचित्ततया पठित्वा विद्याकुशलाः ते सर्वे सञ्जाताः. ततः तैः चतुर्भिः मिलित्वा उक्तम्, वयं सर्वविद्या पारङ्गताः. तद् उपाध्याय मुक्तलापयित्वा स्वदेशे गच्छामः. एवं मन्त्रयित्वा तथा एव अनुष्ठीयताम् इति उक्त्वा ब्राह्मण उपाध्याय मुक्तलापयित्वा अनुज्ञां लब्ध्वा पुस्तकानि नीत्वा प्रचलिता. I'll pause here, sir.
Yes, yes. It's a lengthy passage. Now, I'm just wanting to remind the previous story, where also 4 Brahmanas were there, 4 learned there. They were all learned, so-called in Shastra, Parangataha, but Viveka Shunyaha. What happened? Out of them, one was wise man, though he was not very well qualified. And he was made fool. He was ridiculed by the 3. And then, when the real time, testing time came, when they exhibited their foolish scientific, output, result, Then they were all killed by the tiger, lion. A lion was enlivened, and in spite of the warning given by the fourth wise boy, they did not care to listen to. And he climbed the tree, and the lion was enlivened. And no sooner the lion was enlivened than it grabbed the three fellows and killed them, pounced upon them. Now, this is what happens, loka vyavahara gnana shunya. Without the knowledge of society we are living, we should know. See, like in law, there is a principle: ignorance of law is no excuse. Srinivas. If somebody says no, 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 I don't know, then you are not you can't be excused. Being born in this society, human society, we are supposed to know several things. Several things. It's a very challenging life. Okay. Kasminchid adhisthane, as usual, in some part of city, chatvaraha brahmanaha parasparam mitratvam apannaha praptaha vasanti sma. They lived having come together as friends, 4 friends. 4 is a good number actually. 2 is very minor. 3 is also like so. 4 representing the 4 quarters of the world, like news, north, east, west, south, as news form is there. So the 4 number is very, very useful. So when there are 4 people, means there's a good number. Friendship is good. And Chatura word also is derived like that. A person who knows 4 things in life is a Chatura. And how does one become Chatura? By going to different quarters of the land. By moving in different directions, one becomes wise. That is the real education. Bala bhave, in their childhood only, tesham matihi ajayata. They had a mind in their childhood only. Bo, deshantaram gatva. See how often we are coming across this word, deshantaram, deshantaram. So I keep telling, how was India in the ancient time? It was in small, divided into countries. Hundreds of countries were there. Imagine our own Telangana divided into 2 countries or 3 countries, like that. Deshantaram gatva vidyayaha uparjanam kriyati. So how about going over to another country and then make use of our vidya learning? Atha anyasmin divase, on the following day, te brahmana, those 4 chatvaraha brahmana, parasparam nichayam krutva, they decided mutually, vidyoparjanartham kanyakubje gataha. So, vidyayaha uparjanam, for getting learning only here. For getting learning, they decided to go to Kanyakubja Desha. Kanyakubja is the modern Kanauj, district of Kanauj in UP, Srinivas. That is called Kanyakubja. So, they went to, in those days, Kanauj district. Tatra in Kanauj or in Kanyakubja. There, Vidya Mate, in some school, some Vidyalaya, Gatva Patanti, they started studying there. Evam Dvadashabdan Yavad Chitataya. So for 12 years continuously. Dvadasha Abdan Samvatsaran Yavat Chittataya. Full concentration with one undeviated mind. Patitva studied, having studied there. Vidya Kushalaha te sarve sanjata. They all became experts in their Vidya. They all became experts. Tataha, thereafter, Taihi, by those Chaturbihi, Brahmanihi, Chaturbihi, Militva, then they all decided together. Not a single decision. Chaturbihi Militva Uktam. They all together said, Vayam Sarva Vidya Parangataha. Now we are masters in our Vidya. We have gone to the other end of the learning. Parangataha. Tad. So, Upadhyayam Utkalapayitva. This Utkalapana is taking leave and giving Guru Dakshina, etc. So, this is Utkalapa. Utkalapayati. This is the word. Apruchanam. Taking leave. So, Tad Upadhyayam Apruchya. Bidding farewell saying tata bye bye to the teacher, giving him some guru dakshina, etc. That is utkalapa, utkalapayitva. So taking leave of the teacher, swadeshe gachamaha. We'll go to our respective homes. Evam mantrayitva, thinking like this, deciding upon like this. Tatha eva anushthiyatam ityuktva. And they said, okay, let us do like that only. Tathaiva anushthiyatam ityuktva. Brahmana, those boys, upadhyayam utkalapayitva, they also went to the teacher and took leave of him. Anugnam labdva, they got the permission. Pustakani nitva, whatever books they studied, also they took. Prachalita, they moved from that place.
Yavat kinchin margam yanti tavad dvau panthanau samayatau društva upavishtaha sarve.
Now, these so-called highly educated MAs, masters now, Vidya Parangataha, poor fellows, when they started taking the leave of the teacher, Yavat Kinchin Margam Yanti, when they come to some way, some path, Marga, Tavad, Dvau Pantano, they came across some 2 roads. So they were coming on one road, but by the time they moved ahead, they came across one more road. Pantanam Samayato. Margam, Pantano, sorry, Dvau Pantanam Samayo. They came across 2 ways, 2 roads. Oh, these fellows have doubt, which way to go now. That is where the common sense is lacking in them. Loka Vyavhara Jnana is not there, Upavishtaha. Then they said, which way to go, Baba? Now let us sit together and think, what does our Shastra tell? When there are 2 ways, which way to go? Now let us consult our Shastra book. So that is why carefully the writer has used the word Pustakani. Nitva, Srinivas. They carried their books with them. So they sat together now. Upavishtaha sarve, all sat down. What to do? Yeah.
Tatra ekah provacha kena margena gacchamaha etasmin samaye tasmin pattane kaschid vanikputraha mrutaha tasya dahaya mahajanaha gato bhut ततश्च ततः चतुर्णां मध्यात् एकेन पुस्तकम् अवलोकितं महाजनो येन गतः सपन्थाः इति.
Then when these stupid learned Brahmanas came across 2 ways, they were unable to decide upon. Tatra ekaha, then immediately one fellow, Provacha, said, Kena margena gacchamaha. By what way should we go now? Etasmin samaye, etasmin pattane, at that particular time in that city, Kaschid Vanik Putraha Mrutaha, some merchant's son was died. Tasya dahaya, for his dana samskara, Mahajanaha gato abut. There was a great crowd going, Mahajanaha. Tatas Chaturnam Madhyad Ekena Pustakam Avalokitam. Then one more boy, one more Brahmana out of the 4, Chaturnam Madhyat. Ekena Brahmanena Pustakam Avalokitam Drishtam. Then he took out immediately his bag, and from the bag, he must have taken the book and then started looking into. When there are 2 ways coming in, and especially when there is a Shavayatra going on, which way should we go? Then to his research, he found this. Mahajanaha yenagataha sapantaha. Whatever way the Mahajana, great people go, actual meaning of the sloka is that this is from our Yaksha Prashna Mahabharata. Kaha pantaha. Yaksha asked Yudhishthira, Kaha pantaha. Then Mahajano yenagata sapantaha. Whatever way the noble people, great people go, that is our road. We should follow that path. Pantha means path in English. But this fellow thinks here the great number of people are going, that procession. That he thinks is Mahajano Yenagata. So Mahajano yenagata sapantaha iti patati. He finds that. Tan Mahajana margena gachamaha. Then he says, okay, we'll go by the procession, great people who are going in the Atate Panditaha.
I'll have to read from
You have to
this.
read. Okay, please.
तन् महाजनमार्गेण गच्छामः अथ ते पंडिता यावन् महाजनमेलापकेन सह यान्ति तावत् रासवः कश्चित् तत्र श्मशाने दृष्टः अथ द्वितीयेन पुस्तकम् उद्घाट्य अवलोकितम्.
Yeah. So Tan Mahajana Margena Gacham will go by the people's, this wherever the great people go. Atate Panditaha. Yavan Mahajanam Melapakena Saha. Mahajana Melapakena. Melapakena means together. Melanam. Melapakaha. Uniting, bringing together. So when they were following that crowd, that procession, Samuhena. Melapakena. Melapaka means uniting, bringing together. So Yavan Mahajana Melapakena Saha Mahajana Samuhena Yanti, when they were going with that Tavad Rasabaha Kaschit. Now to this stupid fellow's fortune, one Rasabha on the way, one donkey came across. Rasabaha Kachis Smashane Drustaha Tatra. So they reached this Smashana along with those people, and there they found one donkey there, Smashana, Rasava. Ata Dvitiya, and immediately the second boy took out the Pustakam Udghatya. He opened the book, Avalokitam Drustam. He saw into the book, and the book read like this. Earlier it read Mahajano Yenagata Sapantaha. Then this Utsave Vyasane Prapte. Yeah, read.
उत्सवे व्यसने प्राप्ते दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु संकटे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च यस्तिष्ठति स बान्धवः.
So this second fellow ascertains now he is using his mastery in deciding things. Utsave in any festivals, Vyasane in difficult times, Prapte. Utsave Prapte, Vyasane Prapte. When on an occasion like Utsava or in a difficult time, Durbhikshe in famine time, Shatru Sankati, when one is endangered by the enemies, Rajadware in court, Smashani. What is applicable to them is Smashana now. They are not in Utsava, they are not in Vyasana, they are not in Durbhiksha time, they are not Shatru Sankata now. They are not even in Rajadwara now. Now, what is relevant to these fellows is Smashana. They have reached this Smashana now. Smashane cha yaha tishtati sa bandhava. So whoever stays with you in all these situations, now donkey has come before them. So donkey is present in the Smashana. So donkey is our relative. No. So Smashane cha yaha tishtati sa bandhava. So the second fellow decides the Shastric sloka, the sloka as the donkey as their bandhava. That is the problem.
तदहो अयम् अस्मदीयः बान्धवः ततः कश्चित् तस्य ग्रीवायां लगति कोऽपि पादौ तस्य प्रक्षालयति अथ यावत् ते पंडिताः दिशाम् अवलोकनं कुर्वन्ति तावत् कश्चित् उष्ट्रः दृष्टः तैः च उक्तम् एतत् किम् तावत् तृतीयेन पुस्तकम् उद्घाट्य उक्तम्.
So when they found these stupid students found one donkey, one fellow said Mahajanogana, the second fellow said Utsave Vyasane Prapte, etc. Yatishtati sa bandhava tadaho. Then he is saying, I am Asmadiyo bandhavaha. He is our relative. Donkey is not ordinary now. He is our relative. Tataha, then Kaschit tasya, then one fellow, tasya, Rasavasya, Gardavasya, Grivayam lagati, he hugs the neck of the bandhava, the donkey. Lagati means he touches, he embraces, alingati like Grivayam. Kopi padau tasya prakshalati, one fellow tries to wash the feet of the donkey. Atha yavate panditaha. So like these so-called pandits, disham avalokanam kurvanti, when they were looking at the direction, which direction again to go, tavat kachid ustraha dustraha, and to their fortune or unfortune, they found one ustraha. Now this time a camel. Kaschid ustraha dustraha. Taihi cha voktum. The moment they saw this camel, Etat kim, Hare, what is this again? No, just now we got a bandhu, Gardava bandhu. Tavat Trutiyena. Then it was the time of the third fellow to prove his Vidya. Then Tavat Trutiyena Brahmanena Pustakam Udghatya Uktam. Then he opened the book. His book he opened and then he read out.
धर्मस्य परितागतिः तन्नूनम् एषः धर्मः तावत् चतुर्थेन उक्तम् इष्टं धर्मेण योजयेत् तद् बान्धवो अयम् अस्माकं धर्मेण युज्यताम्.
These fellows are so stupid that they are taking only one line of a poem and then interpreting it according to their wish. It is something like general criticism is there. Manuvadi, people say na, that Nastri Swatantram Arhati. They take this one line. Woman, so Manu says women don't require freedom. Women should not be given freedom. So they take only one line. Nastri Swatantram Arhati. No Stri deserves any Swatantra. This is what the Manu says, and they are oppressors of women, this and that. Like that, these fellows are doing. They don't take the whole poem into account. Actually, what is that sloka? Famous sloka, na? I have already told, I think. Pita rakshati kaumare, bharta rakshati yavane, vardhake rakshanti putraha, na stri swatantram arhati. So, Pita in our society, in those days, you can imagine, even now also, Pita rakshati kaumare. When a girl is young, it's the parents, fathers, we protect them. As long as a girl is, our daughter is not married off, who is their protector? Pita. Pita rakshati kaumare. Pita rakshati kaumare, bharta rakshati yavane. When she is married off, then it is the care of the husband who looks after his wife. Then when she is taken care by the husband for during her youth, then she has to pass, or she will have to become old also. So Vardhakya comes. Vardhakya rakshanti putraha. So sons take care of the lady, the same lady, girl who is protected by the father, protected young age, protected by the husband, and she is also taken care by the sons in the old age. And in this way, Nastri Swatantram Arhati, last father says, so no woman really has any such freedom, because not freedom actually here, Swatantram means a kind of, our society does not say freedom as such, which is spoken here. But no woman is to be let off like that. So she has to be protected.
Yes.
She needs protection. Women needs protection. So they take one line, Nastri Swatantram Arhati. Nastri Swatantram Arhati, said Manu. Look at the other things he has said. Now tell me, even in this day, what happened to that doctor girl in recent times, last year, when she was traveling alone? She was, molested and murdered. What happens in Delhi most of the time when girls, that Nirbhaya case, what happened? So who is protecting whom now? That is why this sloka is relevant. Now what is there?
No need to bother herself when they are there.
Yeah. Now they take our opponents opponents of this argument take the example of the most advanced country like America. What is the safety in America? Can women go after in the night alone anywhere? Not men, women. Men cannot go there in some areas. I know in some areas men cannot go alone if it is already dark. They speak of freedom. So that is what is. So these fellows, stupid fellows, now I have shown the relevance of this. Dharmasya tvarita agati. Now the actual meaning of this is religious duty should be done immediately. Dharma karyasya gatihi tvarita bhavet iti. When somebody is wanting to do dharmic activity, then it should be done immediately. Now, but these fellows here say dharmasya, the motion of the dharma. Now, what is dharma? According to them, some guest has come there. No, another guest na here, Ustra. So they think that tad nunamesha dharma. So that Ustra, they think it is their dharma. See how stupidly they are linking one line with the other. Tat, so nunam, surely, esha dharma tavat. This camel is our dharma only. Our Raju, we have to follow this. Chaturthena uktam, and the fourth fellow said, Ishtam dharmena yojayet. Ishtam dharmena yojayet. I think the full sloka is Satkule yojayet kanyam. Just like the poem I quoted now. Pita rakshati kaumare. Satkule yojayet kanyam. One should give one's daughter in a good family. Putram vidyasu yojayet. And one should put his son to proper education. Putram vidyasu yojayet. Vyasanech yojayet chatrum. If you have an enemy, you teach him how to gamble. You teach him how to go to race course, how to play cards, how to drink. Vyasane shatrum yojayet. So you need not do any other damage. You just teach him some vyasana, he will be totally gone.
Like Duryodhana did for
Right, yes. And the last pada of that sloka is Ishtam dharmena yojayet. Ishtam dharmena yojayet. Ishtam means yagam here. The real meaning is one should give a desired thing, not not a useless thing. Srinivas. Ishtam means one should give a desired thing, not a useless thing, as a religious gift. When you give anything, Ishtam means here you give dharmena yojayet. You give the desired thing, which is desirable to the people, as a religious gift. Now this fellow says Ishtam dharmena yojayet. Now he thinks this is our dharma, so we should now take care of this camel. Yes. Tad bandhavo. So they decide. Tad bandhavaha ayam. This is our relative now. Just now one donkey became the relative. Next moment this camel. Tad bandhavaha ayam asmakam dharmena yujyatam. So he should be united with the dharma. We should do something dharmic activity now.
Atha taihi cha rasabha ushtragrivayam baddha tattu केनचित् तत् स्वामिनः रजकस्य अग्रे कथितं श्रुत्वा च यावद् रजकस्तेषां मूर्खपण्डितानां प्रहारकरणाय समायातः तावत् ते प्रणष्टाः.
Now these stupid fellows, what they decided, they did it. Atha, then taihi rasabha, that donkey, ustragrivayam baddha. So they thought Ustra is dharma, no? They took the rasabha guest and tied it on the neck of the camel. Rasabha is a small animal. Ustra is a big animal. So they tied it to the neck of the camel. Kenachit, and by some fellow who saw this funny thing, Kenachit, Kenachit tat swaminaha. Tat swaminaha means that Ushtra Swami. Ushtra Swaminaha Rajakasya Agre Katitam. I think, no, Rajaka. Tat Swaminaha Rajakasya. So the Rajaka, who is the Swami of this donkey, Rasava,
Rasabha, yeah.
He was informed. Somebody informed to the donkey owner that your donkey is now tied to the camel, it will go away. Katitam, Uktam. And he heard it. Rasava Rajaka, that washerman, heard it. Yavad Rajaka Hatisham, Murka Panditanam. So the moment he heard, he must have taken some stick to beat these fellows who tied the donkey to the neck of the camel. So he Murka Panditanam Prahara Karanaya, for attacking them. Samayata, he came to attack. When he came to attack the foolish these Brahmanas, Tavat, in the meantime, te Pranastaha Palaitaha, they ran away. Those fellows ran away. So it is this.
ततः यावद् अग्रे किञ्चित् स्तोकं मार्गं यान्ति तावत् किञ्चित् नदी समासादिता तस्या जलमध्ये पलाशपत्रमायान्तं दृष्ट्वा पंडितेन एकेन उक्तम्.
Yeah, you have read it. So Tataha, then what happened? Yavad Agre, when they ran off a little ahead, Kinchit Stokam Margamanti, little distance when they passed. Tavat, in the meantime, Kachit Nadi, some Nadi, they came across some river, Samasadita, Agata, Tasyaha Jalamadhye, in the midst of that Nadi, Palasha Patram Ayantam, there was a Palasha leaf. What is Palasha leaf called? Some leaf, you can say Palasha. Yeah. Palasha Patra, some big leaf came there. Ayantam Drushta, they saw Palasha leaf floating in the water. Panditena ekena uktam. Then another Pandit said, Agamishyati yat patram tadasman stara ishyati. What that patra which is getting floated, na? Agamishyati yat patram, the patram which is coming, which shall come, that patram asman chaturaha panditan tara ishyati, it will deliver us. Now you foolish to think the coming patra will become like a boat for us. Etat kathayitva.
I'll have to read. एतत् कथयित्वा तत् पत्रस्योपरि पतितः यावन् नद्या नीयते तावत् तं नीयमानम् अवलोक्य अन्येन पंडितेन केशान्तं गृहीत्वा उक्तम्.
So this fellow, when he saw the one Palashapatra coming, getting floated, he thought that will deliver us, and he immediately jumped over it. Tad etat kathayitva, saying like this, tat patrasya upari patita. He fell on the leaf. Now how foolish it is to think leaf to deliver it. Yavat, and when he fell on the leaf, Yavan Nadya Aniyate was being carried by the river. He drowned. Tavat tam Niyamanam, when he was being, taken away by the river. Niyamanam Alokya, seeing him being, what do you call, pushed into the water, carried away by water, in the river water. Ekena Pandit, Anyena Panditena, another Pandit, Keshantam Gruhitva, he held the hair of his, that Brahmana who was going, he held the hair, holding the end of his Keshanta. He said like this.
सर्वनाशे समुत्पन्ने अर्धं त्यजति पंडितः अर्धेन कुरुते कार्यं सर्वनाशो हि दुस्सहः.
So then he quotes one Niti Shastra, Sarvanashe Samutpanne Sati. When total Nasha takes place, is about to take place, when total loss is about the corner, around the corner, what does a Pandita do? Panditaha Ardham Tyajati. This is what I said, na? Even Kalidasa also says, I have told you in the earlier class. So that story of lion and king Dilipa. Alpasya hetoho bahuhatumichan vicharamodaha pratibhasimetum. Alpasya hetoho, for the sake of little, bahuhatumichan, wanting to give up a lot, is a vicharamoda, foolish. So No, a Pandita, a wise man, does not lose much for the sake of little. See, if the gain is very little, and if you are going to lose lot, that is not justifiable. So, and this is here in the situation when total loss is around the corner, how to get out of the situation? Ardham Tejati Panditaha. A wise man does not forego, but he gives up 50% of it. And 50% is left with na.
Yeah.
It is like our income tax raids or some other raids. If you have some 100 crores unaccounted money, then if I give 20 crores to them or 30 crores to the agency, I will be left with 70 more. So, Ardena Kurte Karyam. Panditaha, Ardena Kurte Karyam. He can manage his affairs with half. Why forego the entire thing? Because Sarvanasho hi dussa, because the total loss is unbearable. Sarvanasha dussaha is unbearable. So saying like this, what does he do? Now you see.
इति उक्त्वा तस्य शिरच्छेदः विहितः.
See this stupid fellow. He
अथ
cut his shiras.
अथ तैः च पश्चात् गत्वा कश्चित् ग्राम आसादितः. तेऽपि ग्रामीणैः निमन्त्रिताः पृथक् पृथक् गृहेषु नीताः. तत एकस्य सूत्रिका घृतखण्डसंयुक्ता भोजने दत्ता. ततः विचिन्त्य पंडितेन उक्तम् यत्.
Yeah, now among the 4 pandits, now one pandit is gone because of their own foolishness. So Shirachedo Vihitaha, his head was cut off now. Atha, then 3, Taihi Trivihi, Paschat Gatva, later going, Kachit Grama Asaditaha Praptaha. They reached some village. Tepi Graminehi, those 3, Graminehi Nimantritaha. They looked at these boys are brahmacharis, Brahman boys, and then Graminehi Nimantrita, they were invited by the villagers. Prutak Prutak Gruheshu Nitaha. They were all taken in different houses, not one house. Prutak Prutak Gruheshu Nita. They were taken to different houses. Tata, thereafter, Ekasya, to one of the Brahmana, Ekasya Brahmanasya, Sutrika, that is, yeah, Sutrika. Sutrika Ghruta Kanda Sanyukta Bhojane Datta. So he was given food, Bhojana, and in that Sutrika is identified as something like pasta, the modern day pasta like cinemas. Macaroni also they are saying. I don't know how to say macaroni. Sutrika. And it was how Gruta Kanda, it was made with ghee and Khanda means sugar. Sanyukta. Ghee sugar was, it was cooked in good ghee mixed with sugar, you can say. Kruta is ghee, clarified butter, Khanda is sharkara. Gruta Kanda Sanyukta Bhojane Datta. So he was given a delicious food in the food for his eating. Tataha Vichintya Panditena Uktam. Then this fellow looked at the plate and he had a doubt.
Yeah, Dirghasutri Vinashyati. Evam Uktva Bhojanam Parityajya Gataha.
So this, you pause there. This stupid fellow, when he was given such a beautiful food, made with ghee and sugar, he looked at the long stripes like thing, Dirgha Sutri, like Bambino, etc. You have now, pasta, big. So Dirgha Sutri Vinashyati. He remembered this quote. Dirgha Sutri, actual meaning of Dirgha Sutri means one who postpones things. Prolongs, postpones or procrastinates. There are so many words in English. Procrastinator. One who goes on, I will do it tomorrow. Today's work, he will be postponing for days, weeks, and months like that. He is called Dirgha Sutri. Vinashyati, a procrastinator is doomed. That is the meaning, actual meaning. But this fellow is looking at the plate, he thought, there are so many sutra like big items. If I eat, I will be finished. Eva Muktva saying like that, Bhojanam Parityajya Jagata. He immediately left the food and ran away.
तथा द्वितीयस्य मण्डका दत्ताः तेनापि उक्तम् अतिविस्तार विस्तीर्णं तद् भवेन्न चिरायुषं स च भोजनं sorry.
So the second fellow, only 3 fellows are there now. The second fellow, Mandaka Datta. Mandaka is also a kind of cake made with wheat flour, it is called. Wheat flour, some kind of cake. So Mandakas were given to him. Tena api uktam. That fellow also looking at that plate, he said, Ati vistara vistirnam. Oh my God, this is very stretchy, very long. Ati vistara vistirnam tad bhavenna chirayusham. So whatever is very lengthy is not going to be chirayusham, it's not going to live forever long. Then he left that bhojana.
स च भोजनं त्यक्त्वा गतः अथ तृतीयस्य वटिका भोजनं दत्तं तत्रापि तेन पंडितेन उक्तं छिद्रेषु अनर्था बहुली भवन्ति.
And the third fellow was given in different house. Prutak Griheshu Nitaha already said.
Yeah.
So the third boy, third Brahmana, he was taken and given such a bhojanam tekta. Ata Trutiyasya Vatika Bhojanam Dattam. Vatika Bhojanam. Vatika Bhojanam is a kind of cake made with rice and dal. It is a preparation with rice and dal, like khichdi. So khichdi was given to him. Then he tatrapi tena panditena uktam, that pandit, stupid pandit said. And khichdi like thing, it is a cake with some all like holes in it. Like I think like our dosha, na? Dosha also has some holes, na?
Yeah.
Their type of dosha. Or some kind of dibarote, something like that. No, somewhere holes in between. So he looked at this cake like preparation with so many holes here and there. Vatika Bhojanam sa, and then he remembered Chidreshu Anartaha Bahuli Bhavanti. Actual meaning is Chidra means in problems. Chidreshu Anartaha problems. Chidra means in weak points. When there are so many weak points, problems will multiply. That is actually, we came across in other tantras also. Chidreshu anartaha bahuli bhavanti. But this fellow is applying this to the eatable. There are so many chidras, so many randras, so anarthas will be there. Are bapre, I don't want to. He left it.
एवं ते त्रयोपि पंडिताः क्षुत् क्षामकण्ठा लोकैः हस्यमानाः तः स्थानात् स्वदेशं गताः.
So these stupid three, now Trayopi, now see, very cleverly one fellow they killed. Evam te Trayopi Panditaha, those 3 pandits, Kshut Kshama Kantaha, Kshuda Kshama, Kshamena Chakana, Piditaha. So they were so much parched with suffering from hunger and thirst now. They did not eat good food. Lokaihi Hasyamanaha, they were laughed at by the people on that village. Tataha Sthanat, from that place, Tataha Sthanat Gramat Swadesham Gata, they went to their home.
अथ सुवर्ण सिद्धिराः यत्वं लोकव्यवहारम् अजानन् मया वार्यमाणोऽपि न स्थितः तत् ईदृशीम् अवस्थाम् उपगतः अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि अपि शास्त्रेषु कुशलाः इति.
So this is the, what you call, sthara, essence of this story. Api Shastreshu Kushalaha Buddhi Vihina, etc. The earlier poem. So Atha, what happened then? Suvarna Siddhi. Now we come to the main narration now. Suvarna Siddhi, the boy who got a mine of gold to his credit, who could dig out gold mine, and then was very happy and asked his friend also to take gold and come along with him. Now Suvarna Siddhi is speaking to the Chakradhara. Remember the Chakradhara who is fixed, who got into trouble now. Suvana Siddhi Aha, he said, Yat Tvam. Now who is this Tvam here in the story? Chakradhara. Chakradhara. Tvam Chakradhara. Loka Vyavaharam Ajananya. Ajanan. Sorry. Loka Vyavaharam Ajanan. Not knowing the Loka Vyavahara. This is the important point to be stressed, underlined is Tvam Loka Vyavahara Shunya. Vyavahara Jnana Shunya. Ajanan, not knowing the ways of the world. Maya Varyamanaha api, though prevented by me several times, understood? He has also said, Nastitaha, you did not stay back. Tat, so, Idrushim avastham upagata. Therefore, you have come to this kind of, this position now. You can't move now. If you move, your head will be cut off. Chakra will cut it. And you, I don't, and God knows how long, you have already been told by your chakra, another chakradhari, previous chakradhari, that he was caught in Ramarajya. Now he was released in that some other king, Udayana's kingdom. So, idrushim avastham upagataha atoham bravimi. That is why I say, api shastreshu kushalaha iti.
Tat shrutva chakradharaha aho akaranam subuddhiyopi nashyanti dushtadaivena nashitaha svalpadhirapi tasminstu kule nandati santatam.
But this boy is not agreeing to what Suvarna Siddhi is saying. He says, Tachrutva, listening to this statement of Suvarna Siddhi, Chakradhara said, Aho, akaranamita, this is baseless. What you said is baseless. Subuddhayaha api, sometimes even highly intelligent people also, nashyanti, they also nashyanti, they also go down. They also get into trouble. How? Dushta daivena nashitaha. When they are destroyed by their bad luck, adverse fate. If daivam is dushta, dushtam daivam, dushtena daivena, dushta daivena, nashita, being destroyed by their ill luck, bad fate, adverse fate, subuddhayaha api, buddhimantaha api, nashyanti. Swalpadhirapi, sometimes Swalpadhihi, little intelligent fellow, tasmin tu kule nandati santatam. He begins to enjoy in his family, in whatever family he is in. Sometimes a little intelligent person begins to enjoy, but very intelligent people also sometimes get into because of the dushta daivam. He says that. Because Uktam Cha, he also says, yeah.
Arakshitam tisthati daiva rakshitam surakshitam daiva hatam vinashyati जीवत्यनाथोऽपि वने विसर्जितः कृतप्रयत्नोऽपि गृहेण जीवति.
The Chakradhara brings in the argument here forward of fatalism. The theory of fate, Daivatva Siddhanta, which was there in the Mitra Bheda also. This is from Mitra Bheda. Arakshitam tishtati Daiva Rakshitam. Sometimes it happens. Daiva Rakshitam Vastu. Yatkinchid Vastu Daiva Rakshitam Bhavati. Arakshitam api tishtati. Even an unprotected thing, unprotected life stays on, provided Daiva Rakshitam, it is protected by fate. And then on the contrast, on the other hand, Surakshitam, well protected, Vinashyati, it goes off, it perishes. Even a well protected person sometimes dies. If Daiva Hatam, if he is not protected by fate. So this is very much subject to reasoning only. Sometimes an unprotected thing lives on, protected by the fate. And most of the time, what happens, well protected thing doesn't stay on. Like we have seen, best example is now COVID, Srinivas.
Yeah.
COVID time, how many people, how well they were taken care in the hospitals. Like our own Balasubramaniam, you can take example. So much care, with so much care. Daiva hatam surakshitam vinashyati. Or, it is very rare thing. Sometimes a man who is said to be dying in hours lives on for decades. I have seen such cases.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
own, I have told my friend's father who died very recently, who was supposed to die in 1990 only.
As per
Doctors,
doctor.
as per doctor said, you go and prepare for the cremation. Katte batta, you go and order for that. And he died last year, 1990 to 2020. Imagine.
Mm.
And said, Jivati anataha pi. Sometimes anataha, with nobody, no help, like somebody meets with an accident on highway, let us suppose, or somebody is stabbed by somebody. Anataha, no one to look after. Vane visarjitaha, or somebody is left in the jungle, like in the case of our
Sanjeevaka.
Sanjeevaka. There only this sloka comes. Sanjeevaka was left in the jungle. Anataha, vane visarjitaha, jivati. And it lived very happily. It got cured of its fracture. Kruta prayatno api gruhe. Sometimes we keep the patient at home, do all the prayatna. Doctors come, we attend and everything. Kruta prayatna api gruhe sa na jivati. He doesn't live. So what does it? What does he argue here? It is all in the fate. If fate is there, if Daiva Rakshana is there, then nothing else. So he wants to, he wants to boost his own morale. Now this is my fate. What this Chakradhara is saying, this is my fate. I have to be like this, he said.
तथा च शतबुद्धिशिरस्थोऽयं लम्बते च सहस्रधीः एकबुद्धिरहं भद्रे क्रीडामि विमले जले सुवर्णसिद्धिराः कथमेतत् स आह.
Then Suvarna Siddhi questions and Chakradhara narrates another story. Because this sloka is uttered by Chakradhara only.
Yeah.
Shatabuddhi, there is a fish by name Shatabuddhi. I think, fishes only. Shirasto ayam. This Shatabuddhi, which is Shirastaha, stays at the head of the fisherman. Shirastha at the head level. Lambatecha Sahasra Buddhi. And another fish by name Sahasra Buddhi is hanged by the fisherman. Eka Buddhi Raham. This Eka Buddhi, I think, is the frog in the story coming up.
Yeah.
Eka Buddhi. Aham. So the frog says, I am only little intelligent. Eka Buddhi. You are Shata Buddhi, 100 times talented. Another is Shata Sahasradihi. You are 1,000 times talented than me. I am only Eka Buddhi. Badre, my friend, Kridami Vimaleja. See, though I am limited intelligence wise, I am playing in this beautiful water, in this pure water. You are suffering now. You are carried away by the fishermen. Though you are very talented, highly talented, you both are. One is Shatabuddhi, another is Sahasra Buddhi. Then Suvarna Siddhi said, how is this? What kind of story is this? Then Sthirajivi, I'm sorry, that Chakradhara, he narrates the story.
Shall we continue in the next class, sir?
Yeah, better, I think. Very well timed. Shubham Bhuyat.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.